Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. I am an avid quilter and I absolutely love this blanket ladder because it gives me the perfect place to display my favorite quilts.
This absolutely gorgeous wooden 6-tier blanket ladder from Yacumx is going to be your new favorite accessory in the house. It is just made so well. The instructions and assembly are so simple, and I love that it is customizable. So you can either have the top rack be just another ladder rung, or you can have it flipped and have these great hooks so you can hang little extras from it. It also comes with pads that you attach so it's not going to scratch your walls or your floor, and it is just the perfect thing for all your blankets.
Whether you have an overabundance of blankets, beautiful quilts, or other textiles you want to show off, this blanket ladder is the perfect way to do it. I absolutely love mine and I think you will as well. And that is my point of view.